Today we would like to introduce you to our maintenance kits from the large family of expert kits. We have this Passat 2.0 TDI, year of manufacture 2007. Let's get started with the smallest form of maintenance, the so-called oil service. Here we have our oil change kit, which we will now unpack. First of all, we have the oil filter with the corresponding seals, then a new oil drain plug including seal. It is very important that this screw is replaced every time the oil is changed on this vehicle and that the correct oil is filled in sufficient quantity. Our oil is a high-quality first-grade oil, of course made in Germany. We have now completed the oil change. This is also what most people understand by maintenance. But a vehicle like this has many more filters, such as an air filter, a fuel filter and a cabin air filter. These also have to be changed regularly. Of course, we also have a kit for this. We have the oil filter with the matching screw, then here the fuel filter, the engine air filter and the cabin filter. Here in the activated carbon version. So everything I need for a major inspection of filters is in here. As you can see from the condition of these 4 filters, they were in dire need of replacement. So this shows us that these filters should be checked at least once during every maintenance, if not replaced, and not just the famous oil filter and oil. In addition to many oil change and maintenance kits for vehicles from, for example, the VW Group or Mercedes and BMW, we naturally have many other applications. For example, vehicles from the PSA Group or Renault Dacia. Of course also Opel and Ford.